Ah, there we go. Okay. Are you all still here, friends? I hope so. Hopefully my video comes back. It won't be as lagged. And I hope you haven't all left and hate me now. I'm just gonna wait to make sure this video is actually going, and then I'm gonna get back to it. Also, if you'd rather see a better game, let me know. I have those too. But I just thought, start with a game that is kind of bad. This video is still loading, but I trust that it's gonna work. I'm just gonna start. Man, I can just coast. Just slide around and oops. Shows what I know. Take this, dude. Failed to load video. No, not failed to load video. Totally loaded video just fine. How about that? Okay, I'm gonna make sure that I'm working again. Sorry. I'm just gonna apologize. Is that cool? Nice little apology channel. I got 12 eyeballs on me right now. And I'm really noobing it up. Once I can see your chats again, then I will know if we are streaming. Unable to reach chat. Oh, God. I'm very concerned. Okay, I'm gonna type up in here. I got the chats back. Video. Okay, I don't know if the video is working. I'm gonna be right back. I need to check on something. Oh no, it's working. It's working. Ha. Okay. All right. Sorry, everybody. I'm gonna just tweet that I'm back online, and there we go. This is slowing down my internet just to crawl. Okay, I tweeted it. I'm ready to go. Let's see how bad that lag is. I don't know. Whatever. God, I'm so bad at this part. Who? Oh man. I thought I had that. Again, I did it again. The worst. Just slide on over here. What happened to that dude? Oh, there it is. Give me my brew. Go for it. Yeah. Oh, I can't do that. Right. Well, it could have been worse. As we all know, fire does not stick to platforms that you can grab on. kind of like what they did with the music. But I kind of really just like the original too. Alright, Brady. Take care of business for me. You're not really doing it. Oh. Get up there, Strider. I know you can do it. Nope. Super nipple-like structure. Alright, let's try to get Gorby. Is there any way for me to not get hit by that guy? I'm not convinced that there is. Doesn't seem good to me. What if I could get back up there? That'd be pretty weird. Nope. Nope. Okay, I've got one hit on him again, so I guess I'm just gonna die. I swear he had that red splotch before. Oops, oops, I hit the tail. I'm just gonna slide. Man. Strider, more like slider. Slider. Take that. You just got strayed. Alright, look at those cutscenes. It's pretty cool, I guess. You think you've won, but I wasn't your true enemy. I can't understand this lady at all. What? I did not hit anything. It just cut off the intro there. Whoop. Check out these extras. Bro. Now what? Now who's a cool guy that's got a game that you haven't seen before? No! Come on, Slider. This music is very familiar. Was this? Man, I don't think this was Strider. But I know this music. Alright, now I got a big ol' slice to slide with. You're too quiet, bro. Oh yeah! Spin on down. Oh goodness! No! Damn it! Herbalize you. Well. Spin on down there, bro. God! This is not easy, and I'm not good at stuff. So, that combination means disaster. It's supposed to be... It's at an angle. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna just move my camera around like a jerk. Make everybody ill. Oh, I can probably stop doing that. What? I thought isn't he like invincible for those frames when he in the Genesis version and the arcade version? When he flips up, I think he's invincible. Maybe I should have played regular Strider first so that I could compare with actual knowledge instead of a vague recollection. Wow, look what it's doing to this big giant sprite. It's just wiggling it all over the place. I guess it's probably not actually one sprite. It's probably a combo. Yeah, give me that. Give me that. Hear you. Nope. No, good lord. Coming close here. Yes, that's what I want. Give me the stuff. Cash. Yeah, longsword. Chim chim chim. Yeah, longsword. Chim chim chim. Wow. Humvees. I'm gonna slide on through. Not a whole lot going on over here right now. And get up there. Not the time, but okay. Yeah. Well, I was a noob. Stage 2, everybody. Are you excited? I'm excited. Whoa. That dude's dialogue was really interestingly written. What the heck? What? Man, have I never played Strider before, or is all of this new crap? I mean, I know they didn't have those, Okay, here we go. This is regular Strider Stage 2, I think. Except, was there an endless stream of friggin', Wildcat Bros? Whatever these fellas are called. Mountain cats. Cat wolf friend. What? What? Get out of here. Doesn't a gorilla have to come and... Why? I don't remember what I'm supposed to do there. Oh my god, the video is so lagged. It's so lagged. Are you serious? I'm looking at the video right now, and I beat this dude that you're looking at right now. I hope that... Hey, can someone tell me if my voice is synced up with what I'm doing, it sounds like? Yeah. Because I'm looking at this video on the stream, and there's a tank bro that I beat, like, a couple minutes ago. So, just please tell me if it sounds like if I'm talking about hitting yellow cat dog things, if that makes sense to you, then we're in business. If it doesn't, then, uh-oh. Oh, god damn it. Okay, alright. I lost all my stupid lives that I got and everything. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna ignore that, and I'm just gonna slide through. Oh, come on. Give me a break. Give me a break, buddy. I can't attack it right next to it. I have to move away from it. Okay, Gorilla, you were a jerk. I always had trouble with you in the Genesis version. Smack you in the face, head. No, no, my areas! Hump off on my stuff. Gorilla jerk. As far as I recall, there's some biz on either side of this wall. Hooah! Yeah. Get away from there. Me. Alright. No spikes on the bottom of this. Next time I'm gonna be so lucky. No secrets over here for me? No! No! Why? What the hell? I couldn't move anymore. Oh, this version game not as good. I don't know if I communicated that before. Chim chim chim. Chim chim chim. Yeah. I don't know why I always liked doing that. Yes! Give me that! That's for me. Now we're gonna go up here. Aha! This friggin' guy was not in this part of the game, I do not think. Maybe he was. Spend a lot of time off screen, Metro. Come back. Let's be friends. Where are you? What? Did I win? What even happened there? All I know is I'm gonna awkwardly stride really fast down this hill. Whee! Oh, I should have hit jump. Well. Well. I didn't hit jump, and now I'm the worst. Okay. Yeah, oh, in the chat, you, someone, asked what version this is. This is, for those of you who are just arriving, this is the PC Engine arcade CD version of Strider, which was reprogrammed by NEC Avenue. God! Not land on those wolf tigers. If I go up there. Just gonna stand over here. You can't get me, I don't think. If I stand right, if I just stay here and don't care about time. Yep. But yeah, this version was released in 1995, I think. Let me just check. Check the box. Released in... Well, it doesn't say. It does not say. And on the back, they're not even advertising another game. That's how late this was. They're advertising the music CD for Dragon Knight 3. What the heck? Well, unfortunately, I can't see what year this was released, but I think it's 1995. Okay, I don't know if it was worth pausing for that, but I did something. Did that to the music. Oh no, it did that to the music itself. I realized that I really don't need to be swinging my sword all the dang time. But, you know, what the heck. I'm gonna get all these power-ups. I don't care. I'm all screwed up. I'm the worst at this game. I deserve power-ups. What? Why are there more? They just gonna give these to me infinite? Okay, there. Never mind. We's all done. In response to yes, the Final PC Engine game was actually released in 1999. Believe it or not, that was Dead of the Brain 1 and 2. It was I guess it had been done for a long time, and they just you know, they decided to just finish it out, because why not? I don't think any is. There may have been one in 97. Oh my god, did I jump too far? Oh. Lordy. What a great place for loading. That is... Man, okay. I don't know how we're gonna make this. Okay, just running, I'm running super fast, and that's what's gonna get me at the end of this jump! Okay, I got it. I do not let both bros right here. Give me that. No! I hate you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do a terrible job of this. Everyone be warned. Yeah! Extra me! Extra Strider. I'll just hang out here for a minute, because that's cool. Do those things... Okay. I'm gonna stride on over here. Slider. Slider, hear you. Can I get an extra bro again, now that I've died? Yes, okay. That's what's gonna happen every time I die now. Okay, those things don't hurt me. Sparklers don't hurt. Hang it. These guys always, for some reason, reminded me of the loaders from Alien. Okay. It's time to get serious. Let's see if I am able to accomplish such a thing as getting serious. I am able to renew my 1-up every time I noob it, though. Okay. What? Stop that. That darn bird creature. Needle-nosed pliers on stilt over here. God. I'll just... like it. Like that. Ha! Alright, I'm just gonna chill out. Or anything. No! Once you commit to those jumps, that's it for you. You better know to commit to those jumps. That's it for you. You better know where you're going. My little extra life. And I'm just gonna remind the people that are just joining me now on the stream that the control in this version of this game is really bad. So, there. That's my... a little wrong. Bad. Let's get up here. Take that, pliers.